I love this kind of view. You know how I'm taking this? It's actually this, and I'm here. I'm here, and look at the view. Isn't it beautiful? Ah, damn. Hey guys, so I'm in a South Indian traditional restaurant where they service this traditional banana leaves. This is peanut chutney, this is tomato chutney, and this is veg korma. They don't serve it with sambar, they serve it with these traditional Tamilian things, and this is very different from what we eat as you know, Mumbaikars back in India. It's very different. It's a very different South Indian cuisine from normal South Indian sambar dosa. This is looking like a dosa, but this is ghee roast they call. So yeah, this is how it is, and this idli is really yum, and I literally eat it like typical South Indian thing, like this. Ciao ciao. So I am after a long time, I'm in Mall of Emirates, and guess where hangendaazz, ice cream time. Bye. Oops. This is better. Okay, bye.